Hey friends, if you encounter the issue of missing MSVCR100 dll file on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So it's not very difficult to fix it. All you need to do is search for Microsoft C++ redistributable and hit enter. Now go to the first page and then you can scroll down. You will find the x86 version for 32-bit computers and x64 version for 64-bit computers. Select the second one if you have a 64-bit computer and click on open. Now when it opens, you might get an option to repair or install it. Install if it's not installed and repair if it is already installed. If this doesn't help, then you can perform an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar. Click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.